Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial for beginner video, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. In this week, I would love to focus on what are the Shopee costs must consider before setting up your selling price. If you have been following me and watched my Shopee tutorial video, you must not miss the most popular video that already hit 5,000 views. How to find the winning products to sell on Shopee. I will leave the link in the below description. Make sure you check it out. Now, you already have a winning products. How are you going to set the selling price? Well, you must know the profit margin first. So today, I'm going to share with you what are the Shopee costs you must consider to get a profit margin. In today's sections, you will walk away from the following: the 6 types of Shopee costs. How are they going to affect your profit margin? And then selling price. Hence, please watch this video to the end because even many experienced merchants are not fully aware of all of the Shopee costs. If you are first time here, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm the e-commerce coach. I help female executives who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. Let's dive in. First, marketing center campaign costs. In this video, I mentioned that merchant may boost sales using free marketing tools, and you can check out the video link in the description later. In the video, I mentioned that all of the marketing tools in the marketing center are free for use, except Shopee Ads. Hence, when you run any of the marketing tools here, the vouchers or the promotional discounts that you are giving away are your costs. So for example, you are giving away 10% off for minimum purchase of $100, which means you are absorbing $10 each time a buyer purchases a minimum $100 from you. Second cost is the Shopee campaigns. All of the Shopee campaigns are free for join. However, they come with a charge when you successfully secure a deal. The most common Shopee campaigns that you may find familiar are free shipping and coins cashback program. Free shipping programs allow buyers to enjoy free shipping privilege when they spend minimum of $20. From merchant point of view, there will be 2.14% of service fee to be charged for each of the successful deal. Coins cashback programs allow buyers to enjoy minimum 10% Shopee coins cashback when they make purchase on the merchandise with coin cashback label. For merchant, there will be a service fee between 3.21 to 5.35%, depends on the product category. So how are you going to determine which program to participate? My tips for you is, if you are a newbie, don't rush into joining any of this program without knowing your cost breakdown in detail. Well, if you're already very clear about the cost breakdown and you wish to join this program, you may join any one of these first, monitor the result before joining another one. The third cost is Shopee Ads Cost. In my last week video, I have touched on Shopee Ads, and it is a paid ads, meaning you have to invest your marketing dollar into here. If you have not watched the video, the link is below as well. What's so good about Shopee Ads is allow you to showcase your products at the sections that you wish to be discovered, and you are allowed to bidding on your keywords so that when the customer key in your keywords, your product will be pop up in front of them. The fourth type is marketing commission fee, amount charged to Shopee Mall sellers based on the price of a product listing. The commission fee is calculated as a percentage of the product listing price before any voucher or promotional discount from Shopee are applied. The commission fee are various according to the product category, but is in the range of 3.21 to 5.35%. The fifth type is transaction fee. This is applicable to all types of merchants. For every successful order, the current rate is 2.14%. Now, come to the last type. The last type is the shipping fee. And there are 2 parts of shipping fee. The first type is when you run the shipping fee promotion here. When you are running a shipping fee promotions, you are bearing the portion of the shipping fee based on the subsidized amount that you set here. The second part is when you ask your buyer to bear a portion of the shipping fee, you as a merchant have to bear your portion as well. So for example, take Ninja Van Logistics partner as example here. Shipping fee paid by seller column. Here is the amount that you are bearing if you select Ninja Van as your Shopee logistic partner. And here I would like to highlight that the shipping fee that you are bearing are subjected to 2.14% transaction fee. Meaning if you sell a product for $9.90 and you are paying shipping to Shopee for $1.41, both of these amounts are subjected to 2.14 transaction fee. These are the Shopee costs you must take into consideration on top of the non-Shopee costs such as inventory costs, fulfillment costs, manpower costs. You need to break it down as much detail as you can before you determine the profit margin and the selling price. That's the end of my sharing today. Before I go, may I ask you for a suggestion what type of e-commerce or Shopee topic that you wish to hear from me? Leave it in the comment section below. I hope today's sections help you to have a clear vision on what are the Shopee costs you have to factor in all the time. If you find it useful, to give this video a like. Thank you.